5 Indian troops were killed and several others injured in an attack in Rajouri district today. Indian forces personnel came under an attack during a cordon and search operation which was launched by them in Kesari area of the district. At least 5 troops were killed and several others, including an officer, were injured in the attack. Indian troops arrested a youth in Pulwama district today. The troops arrested the youth during a cordon and search operation in Tral area of the district. Indian troops claimed that they seized arms and ammunition from his house during the house search. Meanwhile, the BJP regime demolished the house of a teacher, Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai, in Mahor area of the Riyasi district. Former President of Indian National Congress Chapter of Indian Illegally Occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Ghulam Muhammad Mir, has said that both the Narendra Modi-led Indian government and its remote control administration in the territory have failed on all counts, besides not giving them their demographic rights promised to them on the floor of the Indian Parliament. Ghulam Muhammad Mir was interacting with various delegations in Duru area of Islamabad district in South Kashmir. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter leaders paid glowing tributes to senior APHC leader Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai on his second martyrdom anniversary today. Addressing a function held by Tehreek-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter at its office in Rawalpindi, Hurriyat leaders said that Ashraf Sehrai, saying as long as India's illegal occupation of the territory continues, the people of Kashmir have the right to resist at all levels. Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari on Friday, without naming India, warned the Shanghai Cooperation Organization member states against weaponizing terrorism for diplomatic point scoring as India raises terrorism issue. Indian External Affairs Minister Subramanyam Jaishankar, prior to Bilawal Bhutto Zardari's speech, said the menace of terrorism continues unabated, adding that taking eyes off this menace is detrimental to the security interests of all. A Bharatiya Janata Party leader was attacked by a mob in Impal, the capital of Indian state of Manipur. The mob attacked the BJP leader and member of the Legislative Assembly while he was returning from the state secretariat after a meeting with the Chief Minister Biren Singh. This comes amid a deteriorating law and order situation in Manipur after violence broke out across the state between tribals and the majority Meitei community.